The recall is among the most consequential and most contested tools of direct democracy that California voters possess. It lets citizens remove an elected official from office before their term is up. Since 1913, Californians have filed hundreds of recall notices against state officials, but only twice has a gubernatorial recall actually reached the ballot. In 2003, when Governor Gray Davis was removed and replaced by Arnold Schwarzenegger, and in 2021, when Governor Gavin Newsom survived with more than 61% of voters choosing to keep him. The recall's power comes from Article 2 of the California Constitution, which lets voters initiate recall elections against state and local officials. It applies to executive officers, state legislators, and even appellate and trial court judges, but it does not apply to federal officials. The terms of U.S. House members and senators are fixed by the federal Constitution, and a state mechanism cannot override that. So you cannot use a California recall to remove a sitting U.S. senator or representative. To really understand the recall, you have to understand where it came from. When Hiram Johnson's Reform Administration took office in 1911, the recall arrived as part of a package with the initiative and the referendum, all designed to wrench power away from entrenched machines, especially the Southern Pacific Railroad's grip on state government. And here's the key point about the original design. The recall was conceived not as a routine tool of political competition, but as an emergency brake. It was a reserve power meant to be pulled only when an official had so badly betrayed the public trust that waiting for the next election simply wasn't good enough. That original conception sets up the central tension we'll explore in this chapter. Has the recall stayed true to its purpose as an emergency brake reserved for genuine crises of public trust, or has it evolved into something its designers never intended? A weapon of ordinary partisan warfare, deployed whenever one side dislikes the policies of an official the other side elected? California's own experience has forced that question into the open, again and again. As we walk through the procedures in the major cases, keep asking yourself, is this accountability or is this opportunism? The answer, as we'll see, often depends entirely on the political context.